Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Friday, September 9, 2022. Yesterday was a strong day for the markets. We closed up at the highs of the week, and we are continuing higher in the overnight session. So we're going to look at that type of pattern here this morning. For today's Daily IQ, let me go ahead and get it set up. We're going to use all four instruments. The setup will be based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading higher, so I'm going to get to the opening filters, and I'm going to say gap direction is a gap up. For this study, the next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library and say yesterday closed at a 5-day closing high. The quickest place to grab that from is going to be the active today section, going to the new highs. The very first option, day after 5-day high close, it's the first option here if you want to look for it within the category, but I grabbed it from the active today. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is go to the indicators library and grab a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. And if I go to active today, I'm going to see that yesterday closed above a 10-day simple moving average. So I clicked on that right there for above a 10, and we closed below a 200-day simple moving average. And the last thing I'm going to do is say on the calendar section that it is Friday. I'm going to grab that right here, day of the week. That's easy to get to. And now I can click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time when you are gapping up on a Friday, and the prior day closed at a 5-day high above a 10 but below a 200-day simple moving average. Historically, we have 29 samples in the S&P, 24 in the NASDAQ, 25 in the Dow, 44 in the Russell. Win rates on these coming in at 59% for the S&P. That means 59% of these have closed above the opening print for the day. NASDAQ is 50% exactly. Dow, 64%. Russell, 59%. So 3 of the 4 are skewed towards the upside there. If we look at the opening if we look at the average moves, the average win is larger than the average loss in the S&P, so bigger moves to the upside in the S&P. That is also the case in the NASDAQ and in the Dow. The Russell, pretty similar in size, but the average loss is a little bit larger. So 3 out of the 4 have larger average moves to the upside. 3 out of the 4 have moves to the upside more often than moves to the downside. So slightly favoring the upside historically with this pattern. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.